Hey, welcome back DIYers. Today we're working on the Jeep again, and we still have some issues with the heat control and the fan and everything. So hey, we're going to drive right in and I'm going to show you some stuff. Let's get started. Alright, so we have here a 2003 Jeep Wrangler TJ. It is a Rubicon, and we have had some issues with some of the stuff we got going on. One of the things was the HVAC control in the center wouldn't allow you to, it wouldn't click between the fan speeds. We had that issue. We replaced the fan control and that temperature control and the selector and everything. We replaced that. We then had a problem with the dampener not actually actuating, closing, and opening and everything like that. Well, now we also still have an issue with fan speeds. We have the top two fan speeds, but not the bottom two slower fan speeds. So doing a little research on this and watching some other videos, I first led to believe that this little resistor here was the problem. You could actually go in and actually solder in a new resistor if that's the issue. But in mine, this, when you look at, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up, here's a page here for what we looked up online through Amazon, and it showed me that in my Wrangler, this is what I needed. But after a little more research, I had bought that one. Little research, I found to find out that this is the one that I need, and right here is the page again that it also showed me the same thing. Both pages say that they're the same ones, but I'm going to show you today how we can kind of look in here and see which one we do have. Unfortunately, I don't have the older one, which I believe that white one actually works for, but I am going to show you on my TJ what to look for down here behind the glove box. So first of all, taking the glove box out, you can all pull off the little strap on the, oh, here, you guys can't see that. So we just pull the strap off the side here, and then we can take this out. Now, the next thing is I'm going to try and bring you down in here, and I'm going to try and point to a few of the things, and hopefully I can show you where I'm talking about to see which one yours is. All right, so now as we're here, here's our glove box going down in. If you can see that little screw right there? That is the piece we're looking for right there. That is the piece that fits in this TJ. That is the one we're going to replace. There is a screw right here, and there's one down the opposite corner. We get the new one out. So, and I'm not sure if it is this way or if it's the other way. Sorry. This way or this way. I'm not sure yet. I'm guessing probably this way. But, well, I'll be able to show you a little bit closer once I get it out. But that is where we need to go. I am going to work on getting this plug out of the way. We'll be able to move the antenna wire out of the way. Then hopefully be able to get a wrench either in from the bottom up through here. I'm not sure exactly where. I'm going to try and show you where that's all at. So let me try and get in there, and I'll show you what you need to do. All right, so we got the plug off the top of there, and this tool here, it's a trim tool. That worked great for getting in behind there to pry that piece off of there to get it out, and then I can pull this over here out of the way so it's not going to be messing with me. And then now hopefully we can get enough light in there. There you can kind of see it a little better. Not much. Change the lighting here a little bit, maybe that'll help. But anyway, it is down there, guys. It is just difficult to get to. You can see that screw a little easier. So let me work on getting those out and show you how it comes out. Okay, right there is the piece we're trying to get out. I will try to show you that this ratchet is not a lot of room to to get that out, but that's where it goes. It is an 8mm bolt or screw, and then there's one also on the bottom side also. As you can tell, this is the way that goes in there. So there's one on the top and then one on the bottom. So I will work on getting those out of there and getting that unplugged. Okay, I'm going to try to do this one-handed and show you. I got the screw out of the bottom of it, and now if I can see my fingers underneath, pull it down and out. Maybe it is not, oh, there it goes. There we go. And then come down here, and there it is. And there we go. I could not for the life of me. Oh, here is why. So there is a little red retainer clip on the bottom that you have to pull out to get that to come off. So that is why I could not get that to pull out of there. So don't forget that little clip right there. And make sure you release that clip. And you can't see because there's really no room to get your head underneath there. But now you see it there. Release that clip, and then we can unplug that. So I'll get that started. All right, finally getting this one unplugged off of here. You got to release that red clip on there, push that out, and then you can pull that down and then unplug this. So comparing the two here, they're very identical to the look. The plug is all the same prongs and everything on it. It does look like the new one does have some kind of little difference in circuitry here. So you can see there's something there. But my old one right here, you can see that there's some stuff that's been lifted off of there. That I'm guessing that's maybe what's wrong with the low speeds. Let's hope so. Fingers crossed. But should be able to put it back in. Should go back in just like the old one. Make sure that you do have that prong there on the bottom as this goes back in. I'm going to put this back in the screws and then plug it back in once it's in. So, and insulation back in just like we took it out. So let me get started on it. I did want to show you that with that, with this unplugged right now, I'm able to actually get that wrench, the ratchet up from the bottom and actually get onto that that nut that's right there. That was a little easier, so maybe when you guys do it, start with getting that plug out of there first. It will give you a little bit more room to get the screws out and get the unit out itself. So just a little tip. All right, so a lot of this, you guys may not be able to hear this, but we're gonna try it out. Put the key on. Oh, I can already hear the fan running already. There's low, the second speed, third speed, fourth speed. That is awesome. We got everything back in there. It works. So, hey, bonus on that. I'm going to tie everything back together. All right, so hey, that finishes all up on this project here. Again, I'll put the links down to both of these down below. Make sure you check and make sure which one's supposed to be yours. Whether it be this little white one here with the resistors and everything in it, or this one with the little printed circuit board in it. Just kind of depends on the year you got. Like I said, this one's a 2003, so I'm guessing 2003 and up is this one. But please double check and look behind that glove box, guys. It saves you a lot of time, man. Otherwise, hey, good luck and see you guys next time.